Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. Yes, so don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'm going for a beach day and I'm gonna vlog the entire beach day. Yeah man. So guys, I'm going to meet Shanoy. I'm going to meet Shanoy in Negril. So we're going to go to the Long Bay Beach. We're just gonna go and chill because today is my day off. So I'm gonna go and chill, get back home by latest 2 or probably 3 o'clock. Yeah. So yeah man, you can. Ooh. So I think that's about it basically. Yeah. So we're gonna meet Shanae. So I'm gonna stop at the ATM and Shanae is gonna meet me there, and then we're gonna go to the beach. We're gonna grab something to eat and then yeah. So I'm heading out right now, so I'm just walking to the main road and I am in Orange Bay guys. Guys, I'm in a taxi right now, so I'm just waiting for the driver. Nobody knows in us still. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Anyways guys, so I'm in a taxi right now. So when we get to the gas station, I'll show you guys.
Ready? Yeah, but I get them again.
guys, I'm at the gas station right now. So I haven't seen Shania as yet, but I'm going to the ATM. Back on TV. Look for May I come? You know, so she was on vlog. She run one prank on me, guys. Boom! So guys, we're gonna try prank my best friend a beach. So guys, I had packed my purse under the back of my bag. Nearly dropped. The bag is no way fire.
What did the bag Hi. Kamu nak pakai na yung camera mo pa agad.
Kami na bar na namin camera. Look guys, in my vlog too. do?
If me feel like me
Put in your eye, put in your kang. Body.
what? You can just down by your bed, by your pillow.
The eucalyptus oil. So guys, you go in a pharmacy go buy scented oil. Why you have
Well, good. If you feel like say it's good, so if you are man on a corona, you don't have to
Why
do
good
it.
for flu? So guys, we at the Riverside Pharmacy, Negro. There's a Western Union here. We like for I would like Western Union net winning.
Look how my legs them long jump.
So guys, goodie bobs are going to Burger King. You don't know if I'm going to Burger King go buy. Can't show people in face fan.
Oh yeah, boy.
No. I think we'll forget one. What me normally buy, no? I normally buy American chicken sandwich.
Combo.
Hmm?
You want me to buy that $29?
Yes. Buy what? What?
Mix now.
Why mix match here?
Eat there.
How much for?
2,200 for. You want
Yes,
that?
sir.
Mm-hmm.
How much sitting coming at that?
40. You can't lick it all one burger, my go.
I'm going to like I want for Nino.
You understand?
Of course you can buy.
And if you feel you hungry, just me.
When you near me.
Now look how we did. Number 7, but we now get, you don't hear number 48.
Number 48 before.
Before 7.
Why? Yeah, what that? Tell them
about the deal of it. Some of King.
So guys, we're at Burger King. We're not promote Burger King, bro. See the Burger King. Come on Burger King, come get the burgers. Anyways guys, take a look. See over there so? Oh, look at river there so. Look at I want song man. People will reach. So there's like a change. And then go find the beach. And go chill out, you know? You know?
You can't turn the camera and see the journey.
The camera can't see me. No, we have we need to change. And then we'll go down there so one table. People. Yo, the juice I drop out from my hand. Hold on.
Oh, God, don't know if it's going on. Don't tell me to set it upside down. Tell me not it long time, but you fight me also. Also, I go to where we spot there? You want to stay yourself? So nice and pretty and white. Pretty girl. Who's me it? Why some picture of it, you know? Let's take a minute. Hey, life got there. We are safe. Too short.
So guys, we're at the beach. I'm at the beach park and I'm going to change right now. So this is the changing room. This is the facility. But anyway, we'll get ready or change something and then come back. So guys, this is it. Yup, this is it. I'm gonna hit the old now and see Shana is gonna come on. want to chat with somebody. What you want to chat? I feel it.
What was that?
Feel it. Feel it. Feel it. Feel it. Darker.